Hey everybody, it's Aurora from Aurora's Apothecary. We're on I don't know, our 5th time being here, maybe our 8th time being here. I'm going to give you a quick tour of the new store and just some ideas and what we're doing. And so here's what's on our door, future home of Aurora's Apothecary. Today I worked on the front windows and they are not at all complete, but we do have some furniture in here. We will be putting our products on these front pieces. So that'll show all of our products. This is the herbal side right now, so all of our herbal products will be there. And this is the herbalist cottage that I'm building. I have more pieces to go in here and I want to make it look like you just stepped into an herbalist cottage and she stepped away for the moment. On this side is our witch's cottage. So I have lots of things to add in here. That will be all of our metaphysical items. And here is the front of the building. So we just bought this about, I don't know, a month or two ago. I would say a month. We're in Fond du Lac. Here is the big Veterans Park, Veterans Meeting in front of us. The big city building there. All right, let's step inside. So, let there be light. Today, we replaced a lot of the light bulbs in here, and it is so much brighter. Over here, we've got this built-in piece, very pretty. On this side, we got some pieces going in. So we've been cleaning the floor twice and it's still pretty dirty, so we found a better method to clean the floor. Now we're going to do it for a 3rd time. We just got these pieces in today. Kevin went and picked them up from a beauty salon that was remodeling. So these are some 2 great pieces that I wasn't really planning on. I didn't have in my stash. We just replaced all the light bulbs in these fixtures and cleaned everything. It was pretty dirty. And now that we have light, now I can see how dirty my paint is. So we're gonna have to do some repainting. We're gonna be putting our big cash register wrap over here. We're gonna put some drop pendants in and a chandelier in the front. Here is the front. I need some lace drapes for the windows, and we're gonna do some stained glass above. And then I've got this fun space up here, which is very well lit, and I don't know what to do with it. I could put big bottles up there. We could put a giant mermaid up there. There's just so many possibilities. So if you have an idea of what you think would be cool up there, it's a pretty big space, and you can see it through the day and the night. So let me know. And put up some shelving. These were, let me back up here. These were 2 dressing rooms, and Steve and Kevin were here the other day and knocked out the wall between them. So now it's one bigger room, which is actually a very small room. But we can either do a reader in here, make it a reader's room. We're not sure yet, or we can do clothes in here. So it was a dressing room. Let me back up a little bit here so you can see. There you go. Up here is the loft. It's pretty crazy up there. We're not gonna go up there today. And then we've got our back room. So we got to put lots of storage in here. This will be our back room for everything. All right, so yeah. We've been fixing the place up, well, cleaning and fixing. Got lots more cleaning and fixing to do, and then we'll be moving a lot of our stuff that was in the Fish Creek Apothecary, the one that we closed. We'll be moving all of that down here and much, much more. All right, thanks for taking the tour with me. Bye-bye.